Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a very excellent opportunity whose name is CoreVarious, whose official website is corevarious.com. Friends, CoreVarious is a completely decentralized project. The specialty of a decentralized project is that, even if the owner is dishonest, he cannot do anything wrong. That is, whatever amount you give to the system, all the people associated with the system take its benefit. Once deployed on the blockchain, no one can commit fraud here. Be it a senior promoter or a company owner, no one. Friends, you must have heard about Satoshi app. Mining started on this app only after full verification. And after Bitcoin, the second most decentralized cryptocurrency, if any, is the Corecoin. If we talk about the features of Corecoin, then friends, in terms of speed, it is the coin with the highest speed in the blockchain so far, whose TPS is unlimited. If we talk about transaction fees, smart contract fees are the lowest in Core blockchain, many times less than Matic. Friends, mining of Corecoin started in the year 2019. Its total supply is 2.1 billion, after Corecoin was mined by December 2022. Corecoin was listed on more than 20 exchanges on February 8, 2023. If we talk about CoreVarious's vision and mission, friends, we are developing a healthy ecosystem where every person will be able to fulfill all his financial needs. Once you invest a little time and energy here, you will get its benefits for lifetime. In a very short time, you will earn a very good income from here. Because the power of duplication here is going to be very fast. Friends, whatever plans you have seen in the market trend till date, they are mostly either product-based plans, where you work hard for 4 to 5 years and barely earn $500 to $1,000 a month. In the name of ROI in investment, people have been looted till date. Or you might have heard a lot about auto-pool plans in investment, where after some time, the auto-pool starts slowing down. And maximum community becomes neutral. Single leg is the most uncalculated plan, which has no life. Often, the drawback seen in level plans is that as your business grows in depth, the percentage reduces. And after a certain level, where there is huge business volume coming from your team, your income stops in binary plans. Great tension in the form of power leg is given by the leaders in the system. And if you have a big business volume, you are not able to earn unlimited money due to capping. If we talk about the token, then friends, initially the coin price of every system increases, but the day big investors and company management people start booking profits, from that day onwards the coin price starts falling. Can't save. So friends, till date you have seen these plans in the market trend like product base, ROI, auto pool, single leg, level, binary and token. But friends, the better solution than all these, in the form of CoreVarious, has come in the market, where duplication of it has to be very fast. Because friends, we are starting with free airdrop here. And no one will refuse to register for free. Packages start at just $5. Where even the poorest of the poor, be it a labor, housewife, or anyone, can join CoreVarious. If we talk about levels, then we are going to get the benefit of working income from the team of unlimited level. And whatever you invest here, friends, a very good program is here, in the form of F50. Where you are going to get 100% monthly return on your investment. That too lifetime. These are some of the reasons why CoreVarious will prove to be a very rapidly duplicating system. Friends, if there is any most powerful aspect in any network marketing system, it is the power of duplication. Having free registration, getting 100% monthly return of our investment, having a fully calculative system, minor fees charged, and the package being very small. These are some such features, due to which the duplication of IDS in the system here, in your team, is going to happen at a very fast pace. That's why friends, after just 3 to 6 months, you will definitely be earning thousands and millions of dollars from here. If we talk about the CoreVarious features, then the benefits of working here that you will get are at unlimited level. And that too is going to be compressed level. In most plans, the percentage decreases at lower levels. But you are going to get the same percentage of profit from the unlimited level. Friends, due to being 100% decentralized, any person here can close his eyes and believe. Because here any particular person, whether it is the promoters of the company or the owner, cannot run away with your amount. The ideology of the plan is so alive and brilliant that it in itself works on auto-motivated working ideology. In Core Various, no person will be able to keep himself neutral. Once he does the free registration, because he is going to get a very good team in the F50 program, from which he is going to get daily earnings. Friends, being fully calculated, it is an unbreakable system, where you are going to earn earnings for many years to come. There are no conditions. Friends, looking at all these features, we can simply say that this is a market trend changer concept, which is going to change the trend of the entire market. Talking about types of earning, there are 3 types of earning here. The first earning is free airdrop. The second earning option is the F50 program. And the third earning is magic income. All 3 earnings are better than one another. First of all, let us talk about free airdrop. As soon as you register yourself for free by going to Token Pocket or MetaMask Wallet's web browser, you will get 10 core coins shown on your ID, and after that, if we talk about the referral program, we are going to get 1 core coin from each referral. And friends, till level 11, you are going to get this benefit. There are no conditions here. The more direct members you introduce, friends, the bigger quantity you can earn core coins from 11 levels here. For example, if you get only 10 direct working members to join here, and do the same duplication, then in just 5 to 7 levels, you will have earned lakhs of core coins, and whatever coins you earn, you can use them as slab-wise, in your joining package and in your team's joining package. These free airdrop core coins, whenever you top up an ID, you can use 10% to 40% free airdrop coin. And you will pay the remaining amount, friends, if you earn more than 10 and up to 100 core coins from free airdrop. Then you can use 10% of it in the package. Friends, if you earn more than 101 and up to 1000 core coins from free airdrop, then you can use it 20% in the package. For example, if you want to top up your ID with $10 or do a joining, you will be able to use $2 worth of core coins with free airdrop in the package. And $8 you pay the system. Friends, if you earn more than 1000 cores here, then you will use 30% free airdrop coin in the slab of $1001 to $10,000. You will pay only the remaining amount to the system. And if you earn more than 10,001 coins, you will be able to use these coins in 40% joining package. And you have to pay only the remaining 60% amount to the system. The joining package can get you started with just $5. Above that, you can start with as many as you want. The second program is, friends, the F50 program. Let us talk about some unique features of the F50 program. Friends, in level 50 in the F50 program, you are going to get a very big team. And friends, the earning in this is going to be available to you from 50 compressed levels. Friends, every member of this team is going to get it in F50. Whether he is non-working or working person. But friends, the sooner you join, the bigger team you will get. The more direct members you join, the bigger team you will get. And the more active, direct leaders you get to join, the more is the possibility of the team multiplying. And the earning you will get every month will be maximum 100% of your investment amount. But this is going to be lifetime. With an example, we will understand how we get earnings in F50. Friends, there are 3 members A, B and C in front of you. A members have not done any work, no members are direct. Whereas, B has introduced 10 direct members into the system. And C has referred 100 members directly. So friends, the team that will be seen inside F50 after approximately 3 to 6 months, will be of a person with only 100 members, because they have not made even a single member join. The team of B member will be around 1000 members, because he has introduced 10 direct members. And the team of C member will be 10,000 members, because he has worked wholeheartedly and introduced hundreds of references. Friends, next we will see that the more direct referrals the person is making, the more the team is getting accordingly, and he is getting more point value accordingly. A will get only 1 point, while B will get 10 points from each member, and C is going to get 100 points from each team member. If we try to multiply the team in point value, and if the point value is 10 cents, then member A would be earning only $10 daily, while member B would be earning $1,000, and C member would be earning $1 million. So friends, you must have understood that the more direct references and active members, the sooner we join, the bigger the team and the higher the point value. Our earnings are going to multiply many times more. So, as soon as possible, refer the best active leaders for free, and get them started in the system for just $5. Friends, here every member is definitely going to get a very big team, because 50 levels, that too are compressed levels. Here friends, not just hundreds, but a team worth thousands and lakhs. Each member is going to get it. F50 program is such a beautiful program friends. Here even if a non-working person does nothing, he is going to earn huge income. Friends, the income of a working person definitely has to be multiplied hundreds of times. If we talk about non-working income in the F50 program, then friends, for that we have to understand that any non-working person who is eligible for earning will start earning only after 100 days. A non-working person will never be able to do manual top-up again after 100 days. If a member does 4x direct business at any time, her F50 earning will start instantly. But friends, another great news is that if a member does 2x direct business within a week, his earning will start instantly. That is, friends, here you have to join 2 direct members like you as soon as possible within a week of joining, so that you can avail the benefit of F50 earning at half the lifetime target only. If a member is not able to pay up, even a single member, I would suggest starting with $100 instead of $5 or $10. Because your earning will start after 100 days, and by then a big team will have been formed in your F50 program. And as soon as 100 days are over, you will be getting 3.33% per day. Example, monthly 100% earning from here. If you invest $100 here friends, you start earning from the 101st day. And by the time you are here for 200 days, you will have made a total withdrawal of $166. And by the end of 300 days, you will have withdrawn $474. In 500 days, you would have earned almost 10 times from here, because the maximum earning of non-working ID is only 10 times. And if we talk about working leaders, the most amazing and powerful earning for them is magic income, where the more direct referrals you make, not only are you earning free airdrops, but you are also getting more team in F50, and point value is also getting more. Along with that, friends, a working leader is going to get a very tremendous earning, magic income. The more direct active members there are in magic income, the bigger the earning friends you are going to get from magic income. The beauty of magic income is that, out of all the direct references you are making, the system will automatically count that leg as a leg which has the most business. The second largest business team will count towards the B leg, third, business-wise will count the largest leg in the system, the C leg, and in this way, whatever number of front legs you have, the system will keep counting the next leg. You will not get any commission from a leg. Its total business will flash out. Friends, from B leg, whatever business is done weekly, you are going to get 5%. From C leg, you are going to get 10% of the business of the entire week from unlimited depth. And friends, you are going to get 15% from D leg, that too with unlimited level, there is no capping here. If we talk about the next leg, you will get 20% from the unlimited level. The more active front leaders you bring into the system, the bigger the earning magic income you are going to get. Through this chart, you will be able to understand much better how many times magic income gets multiplied. When multiple front legs are opened, Friends, if you are bringing only 2 direct members, and each person has a target of 2x within week to earn his F50 earning instantly, then this example has been shown accordingly. Its actual income may be many times more than this. If only 2 members join in the first week, your earning will be 25 cents. This earning will be in the second week, 50 cents. Because the 2 direct members who have joined will also want to fulfill their F50 qualification criteria, so that you can avail lifetime benefit of 100% investment amount. Earning in the third week will be $1, $2 in the fourth week, and friends, you will see that despite having only 2 active legs in 15 weeks, example, 3.5 months, you will have earned $8,192 here. Friends, if you have 10 active direct members, then the earning in the first week is $7.50. You earn $15 from here in the second week, and if we look at the counting of the 15th week, then you earn approximately $245,752 from here. If you are joining 25 active front leaders, then in that case your earning in 15 weeks is $737,257. And friends, if you are running 50 active direct system, then in that case you are able to see this earning, that is $1,556,432, definitely friends. Within just 3.5 months, if you have 50 active direct members who are giving you weekly business, then your earning in that case, within just 3.5 months, will be around 15 lakhs of dollars. Friends, you may not believe this figure after hearing it, but friends, the power of duplication is the most powerful idea in this world. And everything is possible here, apart from being a fully calculative system. It is also a fully decentralized system, and due to very fast duplication, this figure of magic income that you are seeing is going to prove practical in your life in just 3.5 months. If you understand and work on the power of duplication deeply, then within just 3.5 months, friends, you are going to become a millionaire. Now we will talk about some terms and conditions. Whatever your payout amount, 25% of it will automatically go into auto retop-up wallet, and 25% will go to the split wallet. Minimum withdrawal will be $5. If you do 2x direct business within week to get instant earning of F50, then in future also you have to maintain only 2x business. Otherwise, friends, to earn F50, it will be mandatory for you to maintain 4x business. For non-working individuals, F50 earnings start after 100 days. It is not mandatory for him to maintain 2x or 4x business, but non-working members can never top up manually after 100 days. You will be able to use split wallet only when you are fresh joining your own team. Closing of magic income will be weekly. Friends, if we understand the main thing, it is that the higher the maximums you direct, the bigger the benefit you will get from the free referral program. You are going to get equally big benefits from the F50 program also. And friends, you are going to get equally big benefits from magic income also. So we have to bring as many active members as possible on our single ID for lifetime. And if we focus on this, then definitely within just 3 to 6 months, you would have easily earned multi-million dollars here. Thanks guys.